Shopping at NoviraStyle.com has truly been a delightful and memorable experience from start to finish, and I honestly feel like I found a new go-to destination for fashionable, comfortable, and stylish clothing online. The website immediately gives off a modern and classy vibe with its smooth navigation, beautifully organized categories, and clearly displayed collections that make browsing an enjoyable part of the shopping process. I spent a long time exploring their different outfits because every item looked unique, trendy, and perfectly aligned with current fashion styles, yet still wearable for everyday life, which is something I really appreciate. What impressed me even more was that the pricing was super reasonable for what looked like premium quality designs, and the detailed product descriptions, size information, and customer photos helped me make confident decisions while adding things to my cart. When my package arrived, right on time, I could tell how much care had been put into the presentation. Everything was neatly folded and securely packed, and the moment I took the clothes out, I could instantly see the attention to fabric quality and craftsmanship. The materials felt soft, durable, and comfortable against the skin, and the stitching was clean and professional. Truly felt like I received far more value than what I paid for. Each outfit fit beautifully, just as expected, making me feel both fashionable and confident. The colors were vibrant and exactly as shown in the pictures. No unpleasant surprises, which is refreshing because that can be a common problem when shopping online from other retailers. Another aspect that made me appreciate NoviraStyle.com even more was their supportive and friendly customer service. When I reached out with a small question about one of my items, they responded promptly with politeness and genuine helpfulness, which made me feel appreciated as a customer rather than just another order number. That kind of communication builds trust, and it definitely encouraged me to want to shop again. Overall, everything, from the easy browsing process, accurate sizing, reliable delivery, refreshing level of quality, and excellent customer support, made the entire experience feel smooth, convenient, and satisfying. I've already received multiple compliments from friends and colleagues on the pieces I ordered, and I happily told them about NoviraStyle.com because I truly believe it's a site worth recommending. Finding a store that consistently delivers both style and great value can be rare, but this one really stands out. I am already planning my next purchase because I know I can rely on them for quality fashion that makes shopping feel exciting again. NoviraStyle.com has definitely earned a place at the top of my favorite online clothing stores, and I'm thrilled to continue building my wardrobe with their beautiful, stylish designs.